Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew a maxi dress. It has two tiers and it look very beautiful and trendy. This is my main fabric and this black fabric I used for embellishment and these laces I also use for embellishment. This maxi dress has two parts, bottom skirt and bodice. First I will prepare the embellishment for bodice. Please one thing keep in mind, this fabric length is as same as my bodice length is, that is 12 inches and width is 5 inches. I am making a diamond shaped design with the help of chalk. I already made a detailed video about the diamond shaped design. Link I mentioned in description, you can check it from there. Design is prepared. Now it's time to sew. Follow the guidelines and sew the laces on that. First I sew the black lace and then after that I will sew the white lace on that. You can see that I sewed it. I followed the guideline and I sewed it properly. This is the bodice which I already cut. This is the front side and this is the back side of a bodice. Button placket on the back side and armholes of front and back side I cut in this bodice, but neckline I will cut later. First I attach this embellishment on the front side of a bodice and after that I will cut the neckline. Before I sewed this embellishment in the center of this front side bodice, I apply two laces. First fold it in a half in order to make a guidelines properly. Now sew the laces on the guidelines. I will sew the sash belt with the bodice in order to adjust the waistline. I already made a video about the sash belt, link I mentioned in description. After sew these laces, now it's time to sew this embellishment over here. You can see that I sewed the embellishment in the center of the front side of bodice and I made the neckline. I made round neckline and the button placket as well. Beside that I sewed the shoulder seams also. I already prepared this maxi dress sleeves. You can make any kind of sleeves, it's up to you. Long sleeves, short sleeves. Now it's time to make the main part of this maxi dress. It's a bottom skirt. First do the calculation. Main length is 34 inches including the seams allowance. As I told you before, this maxi dress has two tiers. and the first tier is bigger than the bottom tier. First tier width is 19 inches and the bottom tier width is 15 inches, including the seams allowance. Length you can keep as much as fabric you have. I cut fabric as per the measurement. Please note that ruffle will be added to the larger tier first. As you can see, I added ruffles to the top tier and added ruffles to the bottom tier also. Second tier is ready. Now it's time to sew both tiers together. Like sew first tier bottom to the second tier's top. After sewed, it looked like this. Now I will sew lace on bottom tier joining seams in order to make it more beautiful. As you can see that I sewed the lace on bottom tier joining seams. I sewed lace on back side bottom tier joining seams also. It's time to sew the back side and the front side bottom skirt side seams. Please make sure that they are lined up with right sides facing each other. Sew raw edges along both side seams. During sewing, make sure front side tier joining seams and back side tier joining seams are equal and line up with each other. Bottom part of the maxi dress is ready. It's time to sew with bodice. Now flip over it towards the wrong side and measure waist circumference. Now sew with bodice. After that, sew it carefully. I sewed it, you can see that. It's time to embellish it more. I have these fabric flowers. It's an optional. This maxi dress is prepared and ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.